In this session, we will discuss about World Wide Web, website, web page, and web browser. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, usually called WWW or the web, is the part of the internet that contains different websites and web pages all over the world we can access on any web browser. It was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, Geneva, Switzerland. Sir Tim Berners-Lee created a new markup language called HTML. Websites are composed of pages linked by hypertext links. On August 6, 1991, the first website http://info.cern.ch went online. A Next computer was used by Sir Tim Berners-Lee as the world's first web server and also to write the first web browser, World Wide Web, in 1990. Berners-Lee uploaded the first photo on the web in 1992. That was an image of the CERN house band Les Horribles Certainties. The purpose of a website can be almost anything: a news platform, an advertisement, an online library, a forum of sharing images, or an educational site like us. Difference between internet and www. Most people tend to treat the internet and the web as synonymous. But internet refers to the vast networking infrastructure that connects millions of computers across the world, and the World Wide Web is the worldwide collection of text page, digital photographs, music files, videos and animations which users can access over the internet. In the web, the documents are formatted in a markup language called HTML, that is hypertext markup language, that supports link to the other document as well as graphics, audio and video files. The web uses the HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol, to transmit data and is only a part of the internet. The internet includes a lot that is not necessarily the web. Website. A group of web pages that follows the same theme are connected together with hyperlinks are called a website. A website is a collection of digital documents, primarily HTML files, that are linked together and that exist on the web under the same domain. Websites and web pages are written in a coding language that makes it possible to add picture, sound and interactivity to plain old text, making people reading experience more exciting. The first page of a website is called home page of that website. As for example, if we search our college official website in Google, the first result show is title tag and the text below it is meta description tag, usually is used in search results. If we click on the link, we can see our website and this is the first page and it's a home page. If we scroll down and click any of the link, that is course, hostel, faculty, etc., we will then go to that particular web page. This is the web page of our courses. This is the web page of our hostel information, and this is the web page of our faculty information. Web page. The backbone of the World Wide Web is made of files called pages or web pages, containing information and links to resources, both text and multimedia, through the internet. It is created using HTML, that is hypertext markup language. The web is collection of large number of computer documents or web pages that are stored on computers around the world and connected to one another using hyperlinks. These web pages can be seen by anyone through their computer's web browser. Web browser. Web browser is a software application that is used to locate, retrieve and also display content on the World Wide Web, including web pages. Web browsers are programs used to explore the internet. We can install more than one web browser on a single computer. There are two types of web browsers. First is text web browser and the second is graphical web browser. Types of web browser. Text web browser. A web browser that display only text-based information is known as text web browser. As for example, Linux, which provides access to the internet in the text mode only. Graphical web browser. A web browser that support both text and graphical information is known as graphical web browser. As for example, Netscape, Internet Explorer, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera Mini, etc. Now try this. What are the most common functions of World Wide Web? What is web page and what are the functions of it? Difference between web browser versus search engine.